Hello guys, share ko lang sa inyo itong thoughts ko at yung nalaman ko kahapon. Kasi alam nyo guys, I heard there's someone judgment my life. There's someone who judgment my life. And I really hate it. When I hear that, I'm getting freaking mad that I want to destroy that people. I want to know about I want to know I want to know them that I'm not that kind. I'm not that kind of woman. Yes, I know I'm a single mom, but I'm not after I left my ex-husband. I will getting a new husband, and to me it doesn't matter if it's older or young. No, it's not. I don't give a damn to people who like me, like old or young, because I also look in good attitude, not in face. Even you're young, old, ugly, handsome, if it doesn't matter that. If your attitude is good, it's fine to me. I like you. If your attitude is good. But if your attitude is bad, I don't like you, and I don't care about you. I don't judge you. I don't as long as you didn't talk back behind my back, and you didn't judge my life, myself. It's it that it's okay to me, and I don't care about you. I don't judge you. I don't waste my time to you talking behind your back. You know, that's the real me. You know, I hear a gossip here in my place that there's a few people, or let's say all of them, because all of them, they know me. They know my status, all of them. So let's say all of them. And I hear about them that they 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 gossip me that I'm a gold digger. After I left my ex-husband, I I would I would I would love I would I would find young or young or old man, just to make money. Just to to get to get money, to make money, to you know they say I'm a money lover, I'm a gold digger. I'm not like that. I don't waste my money for me. I waste my money for my child, not for myself. Yes, I also waste money for myself, but not all of my money. Not all of that. I just buy some food only, or snacks. That's all. And and the rest is for my kids. So I don't care if they judge me. All I care is they judge me. They 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 accuse me. They they the judgment the judgment from them is wrong. I'm not like that. You know, I'm not like that. That's 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 why I'm so very mad. I'm so very angry when I hear that. I didn't know all of people here in my place is like that. I didn't know. You know, I just I just I just think presently that if I get a basher, they are one of them. The, the, the people who are my basher is one of them. One of here in my place. Because what did I do wrong? Did they judge me? What did I do wrong to them? They judge me because of that. Because I I I get I get I get pregnant too early. It's not too early because I already 20s that day, and too early is 15 or 13, right? That's too early. But me, I get pregnant in 20s. I didn't know why they judge me, but I'm really hate. I really hate it. And 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 I say myself when I hear that. After I hear that, I say myself that if I get I mean if I get how do I say this? If I if I ha- if suddenly my life get changed to a better life, all of them I will forget all of them. I don't give my time. I don't waste my time to them. You know, they're so they 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 look they look at me like a pathetic person. But I'm not like that, you know. I'm not like that. I'm kind to those who understand me, to those who appreciate my effort, to those who care about me, to those who didn't judge me. That's all. That's who I am. That's my thought. Thank you, guys.